Hey there, welcome back to Meat Thinker channel. Today is the last series of this go around to make a good use of leftover brisket. If you ever have a good amount of leftover in the fridge, it doesn't taste good after heating them up no matter what you do with it. But you can make other dishes using leftover briskets to make a good meal out of it. This one's not fancy at all, but we're going to break some eggs and make an omelet, so let's get to it. You use bacon and ham in your omelet, but why not add some brisket to the list? Some may say that's too heavy for breakfast. Well, at least for me, not at all. I would cook an entire steak to eat along with my regular omelet if I could. Just think about taking a bite out of your omelet and you taste that smoky chunk of brisket in the morning for your breakfast. Just that thought alone makes me really happy. First, chop up a half of onion and slice up some cherry tomatoes for your base ingredients. Crack 6 eggs into a bowl, add a half cup of milk, salt and pepper, and whisk them together. Now you're ready to go outside for some griddle time. Now toss the leftover brisket onto the hot griddle. This is the last leftover chunk of brisket from my last cook. I'm heating them up to let the fat in the brisket melt to help the brisket heat up. While the brisket is heating up on one side, throw in some cooking oil and add tomatoes and chopped onion. Keep them on high heat until they get soft. Next, cut the brisket into slices to get some more sear going. After warming up the brisket, you can see how tender this point meat is. Why I did not eat this the day I cooked? That's what I'm thinking as I'm cutting these slices. Now this is the toughest part, cutting off the fat from the brisket slices. My wife would not eat the fat on the brisket, so I have to make some compromises to incorporate this meat into our breakfast. Now get the brisket ready by cutting them into small bite sizes. Set it aside and throw a small block of butter in the middle of the griddle. Add tomatoes, chopped onions, and pour the egg mix on top of it. Add some brisket chunks and roll it into an omelet. As you can see here, I'm pretty bad at this. Yes, the first one was an epic fail. Okay, let's try another one. This one looks presentable and I give myself a pass. Check that out. It looks ugly as hell and doesn't look that appetizing, but add some hot sauce to it and it makes a pretty darn good omelet. I feel pretty good about it. And there you have it, leftover brisket omelet that will fill you up to get you going in the morning. If you've got your own favorite leftover brisket recipe or a better way to cook an omelet, please share it with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and keep me thinking.